This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
So today we'll be going through how to add a pop-up to the homepage of your Squarespace site. So here we have a pop-up, and as soon as a visitor lands on your site, this is what they're going to see. So even when they scroll down, it'll just be there, where it's very visible to users. All right, so the first step would be to go into the marketing section of the site, and then we'll click on Promotional Pop-Up. Right, so once you go into there, it'll show you kind of the default pop-up, which is like a mailing list. We can change the layout of the pop-up from this one to, let's say, this one. And there's, several different layouts you can choose from. All right, so let's click Promotional Pop-Up to go back and see the other options. Instead of using a newsletter, you can change the action to kind of make it into a call to action button or any other button by clicking the action link here. And instead of sign up for a newsletter, this is where we're going to choose click a button. So we're going to give the button a label called shop. And where it says click to add URL, we're going to click that and select page, because we're linking to a page on the site. Choose page and select the shop page and click done. And we're going to save that change. Right. So besides the action, you can also change the content on the page. So instead of join our newsletter, we're going to have 10% off all shoes. And we're also going to change the description. It's more relevant to our shoe sale. So once that's done, just hit save again. We can also change the style of the pop-up. So by default, it's just all this black, white, and gray fonts. We can change the color to red, for instance. We can also change the body color to blue. Let's try that again. There we go. And we can also set the style and color of the button as well. So we can change the outline color to, let's go with green this time. And that's pretty much it. You just hit save. Go back to Promotional Pop-Up. And the last step is very important. You need to disable pop-up and hit save. And that's it. That's how you add a pop-up to your Squarespace site.
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. AskQuesty.com.